Hello, today a new Yeeps hide and seek update just dropped, and there's so many new things. I'm gonna show it. So yeah, there's gonna be free new maps, a new bundle, a new unknown items, and so much more. But I can't really showcase all of it because I just don't want to do it. But yeah, so the first thing is the new bundle. So the new bundle is a pirate with the new reskin of the pellet gun. It's a flintlock. Yeah, I think this bundle is really cool. Yeah. So I'm going to go to one of the new maps, aka revamp. Yeah. Let's go. Alright. Guys. So this is the brand new playground revamp. Look at all this. It's so cool. I love it. And yeah. So there's water mechanics now. You could swim. Swim. Alright, so yeah, I think swimming is really cool. But first, I'm gonna show you all the new items within this new biome. So let's go tech whip. Alright, so this is the brand new tech web, all the new items, stuff. Yeah. The first thing you're gonna stuff is the inner. I really like the inner tube. It lets you float on water, and I think it's really cool. Let me just show you guys real quick. So yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna jump in. Watch me float. Yeah, you could float with this inner tube thing, and I think it's really cool. Alright, back to the items. There is a bunch of new things with all these bushes, blocks, river blocks, items, and so much more. I really think it's really cool. So the next item is gonna be the propeller, because it's the only thing I actually have to show. So these are what the propellers look like. They're really, and they let you swim really fast. And you could also jump out of the water like that, which I think is really cool. Other items are the flippers, which I don't have. Anchor, which are really cool.